Look how cute this little bar sign is. It says Tequila Way. It's a couple inches, I want to say like 3 or 4 inches tall and like 16 inches wide. So it's the perfect length. It has like a metal tin feel to it. This is what the back looks like. It is very lightweight, so you can just use these little holes and use a little nail if you want to hang it up, or you can lean it like this, or you could even probably do like an adhesive since it's so light. The brand actually sent this one to me. We are in the process of doing our basement bar, and I want to collect like just fun little signs, and this one will fit perfectly. I love the greens and the brown / beige color. I think it's so cute, and then obviously very fitting for a bar since it says Tequila Way. They have a ton of different like sign options. You also could put this in like a garage, or if you have a like a drink themed room or something, that would be cool. So love it, really great quality. I just love the way it looks.